So here you go then. Here's my second video of the second part of this Triple O gauge Lodestar Railway. So in this one, there you can see the station. Has in 4 parts. This station building, which is here, okay. That sits in the middle of there, and these are the ones that go underneath. So that's that for now. And now the next bit will happen. Right then, so there is the Streamline train. I like this track. I'm going this lovely Bresley loco. I'm going to put that in the video on the turntable properly because it's nice to look at. There you have the 3. Oh dear, these terrible things to get on the track. These, I mean, you move the move the loco along and everything falls off the track. So yeah, so there, so that's that one, and then we'll do another one, okay? And there is a little 2 catalysts I have there. I like that other one because it's different, isn't it? It's not the, I like that because it's different. So anyway, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on, well, a couple of goods trains. Okay, see a bit. Right, so I'm just going to show you how look all these whackings together, and then you'll know, won't you? You see, each of them. Oh goodness. Yeah, each of them has. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little hook at the back, and at the front it has a little thing that you can put that hook into. I know, that's not easy, is it? So what we have to do, get all these together, and then I might be able to do it. So then, so that's got the little hook on the back. These are lots easier to do than those other ones, because the other ones have got so much wheels on them and they'll twist around, and then the train might sort of fall off the track, which it often does, you know. So yeah. Oh no, this brake arm has got no anything on it. Oh dear, you see that? This falls off. Hang on, I have to get another one. That one has got no sock on it at all. That's not very good, is it? So yeah, this one does. This one has. So let's see. You can do this. I mean, you can put this on the back here. There you go. Hopefully it doesn't all fall off the track. This is what these things generally tend to do. So yeah, there's the see, it doesn't go to it, doesn't it? I don't know why this brake band has been wanting to come off. But anyway, you know, that's how it goes. So that's the first Goodens one on there. That's that one. There you go. Well, I don't know. There you go. So yeah. So that's that one. And now I'm going to put on the milk chain. Okay? See you in a bit. So there you go then. There's the two things I have there, the two pieces. Okay. And the box there, locos, shows you what's on the back. It's under tracks and carriages, radial tracks and accessories. Made in England by DCMT, Parliament's Green, London, N15. Now, you may wonder what BCMC stands for. It used to stand for Die-Cast Metal Tools. There's another one. And we got these, who are they? Yeah, the goods wagons. There you go. There it is. So yeah, it used to stand for Die-Cast Metal Tools, but then when they stopped doing that, they changed it to Die-Cast Metal Toys. So that's interesting, isn't it? So there's those. And tell me what you think. Bye. There you go. It's my, or some of them. I have other ones, but, yeah, you know. It's always possible, is it, to do everything at once. So, yeah. So, this video will be going out in the other ones that I did last week. I'm going to keep them up. This will be going up extra. So, thanks everybody, and